Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Naina, and if you're watching me for the first time, then please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video you get notified. Also, if you guys want to know more about me, you can definitely follow me on my Instagram. It's linked in description. Go follow me there. So today's video is about a very affordable skincare, and yeah, I have been trying and testing these products since more than 15 days now. At this stage I am pretty confident to tell you guys that which products worked for me and which did not work for me. So yeah, the brand we are talking about is Good Vibes, and I have all the skincare products from their range. And yeah, they are a bit bifurcated, here and there, because I really wanted to try out all the variants from this brand. And oh my god, they have so many options, like heads down to this thing that they have such a huge variety of options that you guys can select according to your skin type, and that is the best thing that I liked about this brand. And yeah, without now talking too much, let's just now straight get into the video. So the very first thing that we follow in our skincare is face wash. So here I have Good Vibes Papaya Cleansing Face Foaming Cleansing Face Wash, and it mentions that it is parabens and sulfate free, and also it has no mineral oils. It is MRP'd at 215 rupees, but Good Vibes product, as you know, are always on discount on Purplle because it's their home brand. So it comes in this 150 ml packaging. The body of this bottle is quite sturdy, but let me tell you guys, it's a huge disappointment to buy these foaming face washes from this brand because their pump won't work. You can already listen this wiggly sound because this pump is not going to work. So every morning whenever I reach out for this face wash, this has so much non-cooperative alliance with me that it just won't come out of this bottle. I properly shake it, and when you will just try to pump this, the product won't come out. आप ये मुझे बताओ, what is the use of this face wash जब इसका पंप ही काम नहीं कर रहा है? How am I going to use this foaming face wash? It's a pure liquid in the bottle and the pump is not working, so it's a total waste of money. It has phenoxyethanol, that means the product contains alcohol, and also it has sodium PEG7 olive oil carboxylate. This is a comedogenic ingredient, and what comedogenic ingredients do is they clog your pores and it will only make your blackheads and your acne more severe. So if you are in a very severe acne prone skin type, then please stay away from this product. We move on to toner, and for toner I have this Good Vibes Pomegranate Glow Toner. The spray bottle of this toner is working very fine, and also if I talk about how the product is and how it has worked for me, well, I think almost I am running out of this toner, and I am so impressed by the quality of this toner. It does helps in minimizing the pores. I have seen an effective result. I have seen that my pores have went into a little disappearing format because of this toner, because I have been using only this toner since past 15 days, and this toner is a really amazing product. You need to be careful because it contains alcohol in it, so if your skin does not respond well to alcohol toners, please stay away from this product as well. Now next we talk about the scrub, and this is Good Vibes Grapefruit Cleansing Scrub. This is how the bottle and the packaging is. The packaging is really amazing. It was all properly tight sealed and there was no malfunction in this packaging. Also get the lid on the top of the tub so that there is no spillage or any product wastage. And this is how this grapefruit scrub looks from inside, and it has a very mild fruity fragrance which is not at all bothering to me, and it has such a creamy texture. This is how the scrub works. It's very mild on your skin and it doesn't irritate your skin a lot, and is so creamy texture. I totally enjoyed using this scrub, and I am actually very impressed by this brand because they do not hide any of their ingredients, and it's not like कि वो बस अपने key ingredients को ही mention कर रहे हैं, because they have the complete ingredient list mentioned here. You can read it. आराम से बैठो, Google करो जो ingredients आपको सूट करते हैं, use that product. Now after scrubbing we move on to masking, and for the mask I have this Good Vibes Coffee face mask, and this claims that it is a brightening face mask, and I really want to tell you guys that I have only used this product once in complete 15 days, and let me tell you why. You can see how glossy it is, and it has all the oil and whatever, I don't know, the ingredient of it is coming out. Let me just show it to you guys. See, Can you guys see? The oil is actually separating from the mask, and I don't know if I should be using this product on my face or not, because ऐसे मतलब कौन से face mask हैं जिनमें से oil ऐसे secrete हो रहा है. It has this very foul smell that I am not at all enjoying, and इसको 30 minutes तक अपने फेस पे लगाए रहना is not at all my cup of tea. I am not at all going to do that. I might use it as a body pack or something like that, but the texture and the feel and the fragrance of this mask is not at all skin friendly. That's what I feel. If we talk about lips, I have this lip scrub, the very famous Good Vibes lip scrub in the lemon variant, and also I have this lip balm in the chocolate variant. First, if we talk about the lip scrub, this is how the scrub comes in a complete good packaging, and this is how the bottle of the scrub looks. Smells so good. I cannot even tell you guys. I just keep on smelling this again and again. Oh god, this is a pure treat to your nose, trust me. This smells so good. The skin of your lips is, I think, the most sensitive skin, and you should be taking an extra care of that. And even if you have chapped lips, try applying little bit of ghee at the night, and it works as an overnight lip balm. So perfect, and you will get soft supple lips in the morning. And also अगर आपको scrubbing करनी है, do it only once a week. Don't go overboard with lip scrubs. So yeah, next if we talk about the lip balm, this is the Good Vibes lip balm in the chocolate variant. How the tub of the lip balm looks, and I have already talked about this in my previous video where I was reviewing and testing Purple's affordable makeup. I will link that somewhere here. You guys can check it out as well. And this is the thing with this lip balm. The tub of the lip balm was broken. And this is how I am actually using it, because यहाँ से ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसे flimsy हो गया है, and I'll have to use it ऐसे ही. But if we talk about the lip balm, it smells like chocolate cake to me, and also it has this oily texture and it feels very light on your lips. ऐसा कुछ heaviness नहीं लगती है after applying this. And yeah, एक थोड़ा सा light सा pink tint आ जाता है after using this lip balm and the lip scrub as well. The last product that we are going to talk about is our face cream, and for that I went for this coconut brightening face cream. And if we talk about the cream, it is not that thick, cold, creamy kind of texture. It's a very nice light gel kind of texture of this cream, and it just absorbs in your skin very smoothly. But yeah, थोड़ा सा इसको you need to work upon it. थोड़ी देर लगती है इसे absorb होने में in your skin, and that is the only disappointing part. And it has this very weird fragrance. I would say जैसे Sunsilk का pink shampoo अगर आपने use किया है, उस शैम्पू की फ्रेग्रेंस एंड इस क्रीम की फ्रेग्रेंस आर आइडेंटिकल. उसके अलावा अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स इन योर स्किन, इट डजंट फील स्टिकी और हैवी ऑन योर फेस, एंड थोड़ी देर बाद आप यू विल कम्प्लीटली फॉरगेट दैट यू हैव एनीथिंग ऑन योर फेस, एंड इट्स क्वाइट मॉइस्चराइजिंग एज वेल. So out of all these products, the products that stood out for me were this glow toner. I really enjoyed using this scrub. It is so soft on your skin, so creamy, non-drying, and very good for your face. Next, if we talk about, I am totally impressed by this lip scrub. This is something that you should definitely purchase out. And if I talk about the chocolate lip balm, again it does its job. The only problem with me was that I got a defective product. So yeah, that was it from my side in this review. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.